In the vast expanse of the American sky, a battle unfolds. A colossal clash between giants that would define the future of flight. Boeing, once the undisputed leader, stands on one side of this arena, while a new contender, Airbus, emerges, challenging the status quo with unprecedented vigor. How did this rivalry begin, and what does it mean for the future of aviation? For decades, Boeing was the undisputed king of the skies. Founded in 1916, this American aerospace titan built its name by crafting reliable and innovative aircraft that captured the imagination of the world. From the legendary Boeing 747, the queen of the skies, to the versatile 737, Boeing's planes became synonymous with commercial aviation. By the late 20th century, their dominance in the aircraft industry was unquestionable. Boeing's strategy was rooted in technological innovation and an unmatched understanding of the market. They were pioneers, not just in developing aircraft, but in redefining the very concept of air travel. Their focus was clear: bigger, faster, and more efficient aircraft to meet the growing demands of a world that was increasingly on the move. As air travel boomed, so did Boeing's fortunes. Airlines around the globe sought their planes, and Boeing's influence stretched from the United States to the furthest corners of the Earth. With their extensive range of aircraft, from short-haul flights to transcontinental journeys, Boeing was not just a company, it was an empire. But empires, as history often shows, invite challengers. Enter Airbus. In the late 20th century, the European consortium Airbus industry emerged with a bold ambition: to take on Boeing and capture a share of the lucrative commercial aircraft market. Founded in 1970, Airbus was a collaboration across borders, a testament to European ingenuity and cooperation. Though it started as an underdog, Airbus quickly proved that it was anything but ordinary. Their entry into the market was strategic and calculated. The Airbus A300, their first aircraft, was launched in 1972 and marked the beginning of a new era. It was the world's first twin-engine wide-body jet, a marvel of engineering that promised efficiency and reliability. While Boeing was focused on size and reach, Airbus was determined to innovate with a fresh perspective. Airbus's approach was unique. Instead of merely replicating Boeing's successes, they sought to differentiate themselves through technological advancements and an emphasis on cost-effectiveness. This approach began to yield results. Airlines, enticed by the prospect of reduced operating costs and advanced features, started to take notice. The market was shifting, and Airbus was gaining traction. The Airbus A320, introduced in the late 1980s, was a game-changer. This aircraft featured fly-by-wire technology, which replaced traditional manual controls with electronic interfaces, offering pilots more precise control and improving fuel efficiency. This innovation set new standards and forced Boeing to rethink its strategies. The A320 was not just a success, it was a statement, a declaration that Airbus was here to stay and ready to challenge Boeing's supremacy. As the rivalry intensified, technological advancements became the focal point of their competition. Both Boeing and Airbus recognized that the future of aviation would be defined by innovation, by who could push the boundaries further and faster. It was a race to harness cutting-edge technology that would transform the passenger experience and redefine the economics of air travel. Boeing, with its deep-rooted legacy, responded with the launch of the Boeing 777 in the 1990s. This aircraft was the first to be designed entirely on computers, featuring advanced materials and engineering practices that set new benchmarks in the industry. It was Boeing's direct answer to Airbus's advancements, a statement that they would not yield their crown easily. Meanwhile, Airbus continued to push the envelope. The development of the Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger airliner, was a bold move that showcased their ambition to dominate long-haul travel. The A380 was a double-deck, wide-body, four-engine behemoth that could carry more passengers than any other aircraft. It was a symbol of Airbus's intent to challenge Boeing on all fronts, not just in technology, but in scale. This technological arms race between Boeing and Airbus wasn't just about aircraft. It was a battle of ideologies, of different visions for the future of flight. Boeing emphasized reliability and evolutionary advancements, while Airbus championed innovation and revolutionary change. This dynamic created a fierce competition that pushed both companies to their limits, improving the industry as a whole. Yet, as they raced forward, new challenges loomed on the horizon. Would the path of innovation be enough, or would unforeseen obstacles test their resolve? The battle for the American sky was far from over. As the 21st century dawned, the fierce rivalry between Boeing and Airbus reached new heights. bringing to light the myriad challenges that accompany innovation in the aerospace industry. Both companies faced regulatory scrutiny and production hurdles that threatened to derail even the most meticulously crafted plans. Boeing, a veteran of the industry, was no stranger to the intricate web of aviation regulations. However, as they expanded their global reach and innovated with new technologies, navigating the complex landscape of international laws and safety standards became increasingly arduous. Airbus, on the other hand, had to contend with the logistical complications of being a multinational consortium, where coordination across different countries and regulatory environments required deft negotiation and adaptability. Production challenges also loomed large. Boeing's ambition with the 787 Dreamliner, touted for its fuel efficiency and advanced materials, was marred by delays and technical setbacks. Supply chain issues and unforeseen engineering obstacles pushed back delivery schedules, illustrating the difficulties inherent in pushing the envelope of aviation technology. Meanwhile, Airbus faced its own trials with the A380. The sheer scale of production for such a massive aircraft led to complications, particularly in the synchronization of assembly processes across various European facilities. These challenges underscored a critical reality. Innovation in aviation was a double-edged sword, demanding not only brilliance in engineering, but also excellence in execution. As these giants grappled with their internal challenges, external market demands and shifting economic landscapes began to exert additional pressure. The early 2000s saw a surge in demand for more fuel-efficient, environmentally friendly aircraft, as airlines sought to navigate rising fuel costs and increasingly stringent environmental regulations. This shift in market priorities forced both Boeing and Airbus to recalibrate their strategies. Boeing, with its eye on efficiency, continued to refine the Dreamliner to meet these demands, positioning it as a solution for airlines looking to optimize their fleets for longer, more economical operations. Airbus responded by launching the A350, a direct competitor to the Dreamliner, designed to offer similar advancements in fuel efficiency and passenger comfort. The economic environment played a pivotal role in shaping the decisions of both companies. The global financial crisis of 2008 sent shockwaves through the aviation industry, as airlines cut back on orders and delayed fleet upgrades. This economic downturn forced Boeing and Airbus to reassess their production rates and strategic priorities. While both companies sought to maintain their competitive edge, they realized that success in such tumultuous times required agility and a keen understanding of market dynamics. Cost management became paramount, as did the ability to quickly adapt to changing consumer preferences and economic conditions. In this high-stakes game, one company eventually pulled ahead, reshaping the aviation landscape. In recent years, Airbus has managed to edge out Boeing in terms of new orders and deliveries, a testament to its strategic focus on innovation and customer-centric solutions. The A320neo family, with its enhanced fuel efficiency and upgraded engines, captured significant market share, appealing to airlines looking for modern and economical solutions for short to medium-haul routes. Meanwhile, the challenges with the 737 MAX, including the devastating crashes and subsequent grounding, dealt a severe blow to Boeing's reputation and financial standing, offering Airbus an opportunity to solidify its position as a leader in the industry. This shift in the balance of power did not spell the end for Boeing, however. The company has shown resilience, working tirelessly to address safety concerns and restore confidence in its flagship products. The rivalry continues, with both companies committed to exploring new frontiers in aviation technology, from sustainable fuels to autonomous flight. The battle for the skies has evolved, but the fundamental drive to innovate and lead remains unchanged. As we conclude this chapter in the epic saga of Boeing versus Airbus, it is clear that the story of aviation is one of perpetual transformation, driven by the relentless pursuit of progress. This narrative of competition, innovation, and resilience is not unique to the aerospace industry. In the world of technology, another titan has faced its own rise and fall. Kodak, once a household name, struggled to adapt to the digital revolution. To explore how Kodak's journey mirrors some of the challenges and triumphs seen in the aviation industry, and to discover what lessons can be drawn from its experience, subscribe to our channel and join us for our next video. The world of business is a tapestry of stories, each with its own peaks and valleys, and we are here to unravel them, one thread at a time.